Fat loss can be a daunting task, especially when you're faced with a sea of conflicting information about what to eat and what to avoid. But what if I told you that incorporating just a few specific foods into your diet could make all the difference? In fact, these foods are so effective that they can simplify the entire fat loss process, making it easier to reach your goals and maintain your weight loss over time. Losing fat can be tough, and one of the biggest obstacles is figuring out what to eat. There are so many diets out there, each one claiming to be the best, and it's hard to know what's actually going to work for you. You might find yourself trying out different diets, only to end up feeling restricted and deprived, and eventually giving up. Or you might be stuck in a cycle of yo-yo dieting, constantly losing and gaining weight. You might be thinking that you need to cut out entire food groups or severely restrict your calorie intake in order to lose fat. But the truth is, this approach often backfires, leading to nutrient deficiencies and a slower metabolism. You're not alone in this struggle. Millions of people around the world are trying to lose fat, and many of them are facing the same challenges as you. But what if you could lose fat without having to give up your favorite foods or spend hours in the gym every day? All right, let's get real. Fat loss can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while blindfolded, but it doesn't have to be that complicated. What if I told you that you can eat your way to fat loss? Yes, eat. Today, I'm serving up 11 foods that are scientifically proven to help you torch fat, stay full, and maybe even make you feel like a superhero. Let's dive in, because food doesn't have to be your enemy. It's your secret weapon. First up, avocados. These guys are loaded with healthy fats. Now, I know what you're thinking. Fats to burn fat? Are you trolling me? Nope, it's science. Monounsaturated fats help curb hunger hormones and reduce belly fat. Plus, they're like fiber bombs. They keep you full, which means you'll stop raiding the snack drawer every 20 minutes. Add them to toast, smoothies, or just eat them straight like I do, with a spoon and zero shame. Next, eggs. These little protein-packed wonders are like nature's multivitamin. They boost metabolism, repair your muscles, and keep your blood sugar steady. AKA, no 3 p.m. sugar crashes where you're Googling nearest donut shop. Scramble them, fry them, or just boil a dozen and call it meal prep magic, a salmon. The Beyoncé of the fish world, glamorous, healthy, and a little pricey, but worth it. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids that lower inflammation, bye-bye bloating, and fire up your fat-burning engine. It's basically science saying, eat salmon, feel awesome. Grill it, bake it, or toss it in a salad. It's your metabolism's new best friend. Greek yogurt is the MVP of snacks. It's high in protein, loaded with probiotics, hello, happy gut, and low in sugar. As long as you don't grab the kind that's basically frosting in disguise. Add berries, granola, or a drizzle of honey, and you've got dessert vibes with none of the guilt. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are like nature saying, here, have a cheat code for weight loss. They're super low in calories but packed with nutrients, so you can eat a mountain of them without worrying about calories. Make them into salads, smoothies, or sauté them with garlic. Just avoid the cream-covered spinach casserole. Nuts are the ultimate snack hack. They're high in healthy fats and protein, which means they keep you full until your next meal. But warning, don't go nuts with nuts. A handful is perfect. Almonds are my personal favorite. They're crunchy, satisfying, and scientifically proven to help burn fat. Science doesn't lie, but my scale does when I eat a whole bag. But one food that really stands out is green tea. This amazing beverage has been shown to increase fat burning and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a total game changer for fat loss. Plus, it's so easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just brew a cup and enjoy. Green tea is particularly effective because it contains a powerful compound called catechine, which has been shown to increase metabolism and fat burning. And the best part is, you can get the benefits of green tea without having to make any drastic changes to your diet. Just add it to your daily routine and watch the pounds melt away. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Berries are nature's candy. Who says you can't have dessert on a fat loss journey? They're low in calories but packed with fiber and antioxidants that can reduce fat storage. Toss them in your cereal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy as a guilt-free dessert. Spice lovers rejoice. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, which boosts your metabolism and helps you burn a few extra calories. Basically, eating spicy food is a mini workout for your metabolism. Add them to stir-fries, soups, or anything that needs a little kick. Just have water handy. This is a hot tip. Literally, oats are like the breakfast superhero. Their fiber keeps you full for hours, which means no mid-morning donut detours. Plus, they're slow-digesting carbs, so they keep your blood sugar stable. Pro tip: add cinnamon, berries, and a dollop of almond butter to turn it into a breakfast masterpiece. Olive oil is liquid gold for fat loss. Its healthy fats improve metabolism, reduce cravings, and make everything taste better. Drizzle it on salads, roasted veggies, or use it for cooking. Just don't chug it straight from the bottle. Yes, I've been tempted too. And that's it. 11 foods that can help you lose fat and still love what you eat. Remember, this isn't about starving yourself or eating bland cardboard. It's about working smarter, not harder. Add these foods to your plate, trust the process, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. You've got this. Now hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and tell me in the comments, what's your go-to fat-burning food? Let's chat.